Welcome to Beautyistic. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into the Vibriance Bundle Skincare Set, which includes their Super C Vitamin C Serum, Moisturizing Cleanser, and Moisturizing Cream. This all-in-one kit promises to elevate your beauty routine with a trio of products designed for radiant skin. Let's take a closer look at what this bundle has to offer. First off, the Vibriance Bundle brings together 3 core products: the Super C Vitamin C Serum, a moisturizing cleanser, and a moisturizing cream. These are designed to hydrate, refresh, and keep your skin looking youthful. The Super C Vitamin C Serum is touted as an everyday solution for combating wrinkles and boosting radiance. The cleanser promises a gentle cleanse without stripping your skin's moisture, and the moisturizing cream locks in hydration without the heavy feel of some other creams. Now let's talk about the individual products. The Super C Vitamin C Serum is a standout with its blend of vitamin C, designed to not only brighten, but also provide hydration and reduce the appearance of fine lines. It can be used day and night, making it a versatile addition to your skincare routine. The Moisturizing Cleanser is sulfate-free and works to remove makeup, oils, and impurities without over-drying. This is a key factor for those who want a deep clean while preserving their skin's natural moisture barrier. Lastly, the Moisturizing Cream is lightweight yet effective, providing lasting hydration throughout the day without feeling greasy. In terms of real-world use, I found that each product in the Vibriance set is easy to incorporate into a daily routine. The serum glides on smoothly and absorbs quickly, making it a great morning staple. The cleanser feels refreshing, and you don't need a lot to get a good lather. It's gentle, so it doesn't leave your skin feeling tight afterward. The cream is light enough for daytime use, but hydrating enough to keep your skin soft throughout the day. But like any product, it's not without its pros and cons. Let's start with the positives. The Vibriance Bundle is incredibly easy to use, and the serum, in particular, is a highlight for its ability to brighten skin with consistent use. The cleanser is gentle, and the cream gives you that dewy finish without being overly greasy. On the flip side, the scent-free formula might not be for everyone, especially those who enjoy a more aromatic skincare experience. Also, if you have extremely dry skin, you may want to layer it with something richer at night, as the cream doesn't offer the deep hydration some may need for overnight care. So, is it worth the price? Considering the combination of products and their focus on high-quality ingredients, like organic extracts and skin nutrient vitamins, I'd say this is a good value for the price. The set offers a solid skincare routine that addresses hydration, cleansing, and anti-aging, and you're getting all of that in a bundle, which is usually more cost-effective than buying each product individually. When compared to other skincare bundles on the market, the Vibriance set stands out for its gentle, no-frills formula. While some competitors may offer similar benefits, Vibriance makes sure to use natural and organic ingredients, which could be appealing to those with sensitive skin. Some might find that other sets offer more luxurious textures or fragrances, but for a clean, effective routine, this bundle is a great option. When it comes to build quality, all of these products feel premium in their packaging. The serum comes in an airtight pump bottle, which helps preserve its potency, while the cleanser and cream are housed in well-designed tubes that are easy to use and keep the product safe from contamination. Now, customer service for Vibriance seems to be responsive, and from what I've seen, they have a good reputation for taking care of their customers. No issues here, but that's always a good thing to note when investing in a brand. To sum it up, if you're looking for a skincare set that covers the basics, hydration, gentle cleansing, and a little anti-aging action, the Vibriance Bundle does a solid job. The Super C Serum is a nice perk, and the cleanser and moisturizer complement it well. It's gentle, effective, and easy to use, which makes it a good option for daily use. If you're someone who prefers a more potent night cream or a stronger fragrance in your skincare, you might want to look elsewhere. But if you're aiming for a simple, effective routine, this could be a great addition to your shelf. If you've tried this set or any of Vibriance's products, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more skincare tips and reviews right here on Beautyistic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay radiant, my beauties.